Hello viewers. Today want to show how to grow plant without soil and without chemical. It's very easy. Let's start. What instrument need this project? First need 2 plastic water pot. Second need in dropped bottle with scissor and pencil and some coconut coir. First, draw the picture on the bottle according to the water table. After this, please subscribe to my channel for get update. The bottle should be cut with scissors. Then cut the water pot stains and cut it horizontally by scissors. After that, the coconut husk will be squeezed into the water containers. Now 4 onion and a banana peel should be done in 15 minutes in 2 liters of water. After that, the water will be filtered after the water cools down. Then put plant into the coconut coir. This is first project. I get good result. Already grow 2 inch to 4 inch.